I was a little girl, you brought a fight to my world. I've been shy, I've been silent for too long. You bring me the sunlight. You bring me the sunlight.
Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today I will be showing you how I make my YouTube thumbnail. So let's start. And by the way, I am using my phone to edit my thumbnails. So first, all you have to do is download this app or app. It is called Canva, this one, Canva. So okay guys, once you will click on Canva, the app, you will see this. So at the bottom you will see templates and designs. So you will click on this on templates, and then you will type in thumbnail. So here it is. Then after, you will just click on blank. Next is that you will have to add the photo that you want to edit. So for example, you'll just have to scroll down, by the way. So for example, let's edit this photo. So cute. So you'll just have to adjust the photo, so depending on, on the angle. So let's say this one. So once you're okay with that, you will just have to click on the bottom part. There's a plus sign here. So just click on that. The next, you will just have to click on text. Then click on add some text of your own. There are also templates already that you can choose from there. But since this is our YouTube thumbnail, then we'll have to type our own text. So I'll click on that. Then you will see options for the font, the size. All you have to do is click on here for the text that you will be adding. So for example, you will type in, just double click on it, so you will be able to change the letters or the words. So for example, we'll type in let's say 你好. Just that, it's just an example, okay? So 你好 so after that, we'll have to change the font. My favorite font is Abby's. So you'll just have to stretch it to make it bigger, or just place it there. Then I will change the color. So for example, I'll change it to white or green or yellow. I think yellow is better. And then I'll adjust it bigger to make it bigger. There. See? If you want to, let's say if you want to put a background on your text, you can also do that. All you have to do is I'll just click on it again, and then I'll click on copy. Then I'll delete it because you can't add it. So all you have to do is click on shape. Then you can choose from the options. So let's choose which one? This one. Okay, then I'll change to this, the color, to let's say yellow. Just that, and then same thing, I'll same thing that we've done earlier. Click on plus and then click on text and then add text, and then we'll make it bigger, delete it, and then paste the one that we've already typed. Wait, where is it? There. We'll just have to change the color to white. Am I too fast? Okay, so there, it's already white. Or better yet, we'll just change this to black. Wait, we'll change it to black so it'll be more visible. There. We'll move the box. No, wait. We'll just move the box over here. Then the text. Then we'll make the text bigger. And then we'll change the font to Abby's, since that is my favorite font. See? We'll just put our ad exclamation point there. Maybe you can adjust the box smaller, make it smaller. Wait. There. It's not moving. wait. We can make the box. We'll have to make the box bigger. There. And if you want to add some, like, how do you call that? Illustrations? How do you call that, Rico? Stickers. We can add, like, for example, China. Let's find. So if you want to use, let's say, a flag, then you'll just have to click on it and place it somewhere, like there. See? Or we can make it smaller. Ta-da! There. So once they're ready, okay, with the fonts, with a background color, or once you're already okay with everything, all you have to do is click on this at the top. It says save as image. Then you will just have to wait. So it's already saved. You saved your design. So we'll look for it. Go to your gallery. Then there. Ta-dang! So that is already the thumbnail that we made for today. Isn't it cute and isn't it easy? So it's very, very easy, guys. So that's it, guys. I hope you learned something from this very quick tutorial. I hope you'll enjoy making your YouTube thumbnails. And if you have questions, just comment down below. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.